In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Minecraft for free on your iPhone or iPad in 2025. This is the official way to try the game without paying upfront. No risky downloads, just the safe method. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, on your iPhone or on your iPad, you need to open your App Store. Over here, tap on this search icon here in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Then simply search for Minecraft. So once you search for Minecraft, you need to tap on the Minecraft application from Mojang Studio. So this is the official application that you can get here. So once you are inside, it is going to ask you to pay some money. But since we want it absolutely for free, you need to simply type trial after Microsoft here in the search bar. So once you search for it, you will find Minecraft trial application here. So you can tap on it and get it in your device absolutely for free. You can open the trial application. You will be able to explore the worlds, play in the survival mode and test the core feature. If it is perfect for you, you can just simply upgrade directly inside the application to unlock its full version, which gives you unlimited world multiplayer and all the updates. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.